How to convert image to PDF file on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Drive. Click on plus button located at bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on plus button, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Scan. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Gallery option, which is beside a white circle. Then you'll be able to select the picture and then press on Add. After that, you can crop the image, rotate the image, and then press on Apply. You can add other picture as well by clicking on plus button. After you've done, click on Done. Select Format PDF and then press on Upload located at top right corner of your screen. After that, your image will be converted to PDF file in this way. This is how to convert image to PDF file on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.